Do you often struggle to get a good night's sleep? Have you tried various remedies, but still find yourself tossing and turning at night? You're not alone. Quality sleep is something many people struggle with in today's fast-paced world, but don't worry, there are natural solutions that can help. In this video, we'll explore 8 natural remedies that will not only improve your sleep quality, but also enhance your overall well-being. These methods are simple, effective, and can be easily integrated into your daily routine. Let's dive in to discover the secrets to better sleep. 1. Magnesium supplementation or soak. Magnesium is a powerhouse mineral that plays a key role in regulating sleep. It's involved in over 300 enzymatic processes in your body, many of which impact your sleep cycle. If you're struggling with sleep quality, magnesium supplementation could be a game changer. You can take a magnesium glycinate supplement 30 minutes before bed, or if you prefer a more relaxing method, soak in an Epsom salt bath. Both options will deliver magnesium into your body, helping to relax your muscles and calm your nervous system. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters, which calm your body and promote relaxation. It has a unique ability to quiet the nervous system, allowing you to ease into sleep. Plus, it reduces muscle tension, which is perfect for those who struggle with restless sleep or muscle stiffness. Make magnesium a part of your nighttime routine to improve your chances of falling asleep faster and staying asleep longer. 2. Tart cherry juice. Who knew a delicious drink could help you sleep better? Tart cherry juice is one of the few natural food sources of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating your sleep-wake cycle. Drinking a small glass, about 4 to 8 ounces, of tart cherry juice 2 hours before bed can significantly improve your sleep time and efficiency. This remedy works because the melatonin in tart cherries helps increase the natural levels of melatonin in your body, which tells your brain it's time to wind down. Tart cherry juice is a simple yet powerful solution for those struggling with insomnia or irregular sleep patterns. The natural antioxidants and compounds in this juice work together to promote a more restful night. Whether you drink it on its own or add it to a nighttime smoothie, it's a great option for those looking for a natural, tasty remedy. Incorporating this drink into your evening routine can enhance the quality of your sleep, leaving you feeling more rested and rejuvenated in the morning. 3. Lavender aromatherapy. Lavender has been known for centuries as a natural sleep aid, and for good reason. The calming scent of lavender essential oil has been shown to reduce heart rate, lower blood pressure, and prepare your body for deep relaxation. To get the full benefit, you can use a lavender essential oil diffuser in your bedroom or spray a light mist of lavender on your pillow before going to sleep. Just a few drops can create an atmosphere of tranquility, encouraging your body and mind to unwind. Why does lavender work so well? The soothing aroma has a profound effect on your nervous system, easing you into a relaxed state. Lavender's ability to reduce anxiety and tension makes it an ideal addition to your pre-sleep routine. Whether you're using it in an essential oil diffuser, a pillow spray, or simply inhaling the scent, lavender is a reliable and natural tool to promote better sleep. 4. Valerian root tea. Valerian root has long been known as nature's Valium due to its calming and sedative properties. If you're struggling with anxiety or stress that's keeping you awake at night, valerian root tea could provide much-needed relief. To use this remedy, steep a cup of valerian root tea about an hour before bed and enjoy the calming effects. This herb works by increasing levels of GABA, a neurotransmitter that reduces nerve cell activity and helps you feel relaxed. For those who have trouble falling asleep due to racing thoughts or excessive stress, valerian root can be a game changer. It's known for its ability to promote deeper, more restful sleep. Many people who struggle with anxiety or insomnia turn to valerian root as a natural alternative to pharmaceutical sleep aids. Over time, it helps you relax your body and mind, creating the perfect environment for a peaceful night's sleep. Add valerian root tea to your evening ritual, and you'll find it easier to drift off into a restful slumber. 5. Apigenin, chamomile. Chamomile tea has earned its place as a classic nighttime drink, and for good reason. Packed with apigenin, a powerful antioxidant, chamomile has been shown to promote sleepiness and reduce insomnia. Drinking a cup of chamomile tea before bed is a simple yet effective remedy to calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Chamomile has been used for centuries as a natural sleep aid, and modern research backs its effectiveness. Apigenin works by binding to specific receptors in the brain that help induce sleepiness and relaxation. It's a natural way to calm the nervous system and reduce the stress that often keeps people awake at night. Chamomile tea is a great addition to your nightly routine, especially if you're looking for a calming ritual before bed. Sip on a cup of chamomile tea as part of your no-phone nighttime ritual, and you'll find yourself unwinding in no time. Plus, it's caffeine-free, making it the perfect beverage to help you relax without any disruptions to your sleep cycle. 6. Progressive cooling. Did you know that your body temperature plays a crucial role in initiating sleep? For sleep to be optimal, your core body temperature needs to drop by about 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit. One of the most effective ways to lower your body temperature is by taking a warm bath or shower 1 to 2 hours before bed. The warm water will bring blood to the surface of your skin, and once you step out of the bath or shower, that heat dissipates rapidly, forcing your core temperature to drop. Why is this important? The drop in core temperature signals to your body that it's time to wind down and get ready for sleep. Your body will naturally start preparing for rest, which makes it easier to fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Additionally, keeping your bedroom cool, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius, further enhances this process. Try incorporating this simple routine into your pre-sleep ritual, and you'll be amazed at how much quicker and deeper your sleep becomes. 7. Passion flower. If your sleep is disrupted by a racing mind or anxiety, passion flower could be the natural remedy you've been searching for. Passion flower has been used for centuries to treat insomnia and anxiety, and it's often considered a natural alternative to prescription medications. Available in teas or tinctures, passion flower is best taken 30 to 60 minutes before bed to help calm your mind and prepare you for sleep. It works by boosting GABA levels in the brain, which helps reduce anxiety and nervousness. Passion flower is particularly effective for those who have trouble shutting off their thoughts before bed. By calming the nervous system and reducing mental chatter, it makes it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Add passion flower to your bedtime routine and notice how it helps ease you into a peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. 8. L-theanine. L-theanine, an amino acid found naturally in green tea, is known for its ability to promote relaxation without making you feel groggy the next morning. It's a perfect addition to your nighttime routine if you struggle to unwind after a busy day. L-theanine works by increasing alpha brain waves, which are associated with a state of relaxed alertness. This makes it easier to transition into sleep without the usual restlessness or anxiety. L-theanine is often used to promote a sense of calm without the sedative effects of other sleep aids. By promoting relaxation and lowering stress, it helps you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative rest. Unlike caffeine, L-theanine doesn't cause jitters or disrupt your sleep cycle, which makes it an excellent choice for those looking for a natural sleep aid. Try adding it to your evening routine, and you'll find that your body and mind are ready for sleep in no time. There you have it, 8 natural remedies that can transform your sleep quality. From calming teas to progressive cooling, each method helps ease your mind and prepare your body for the deep, restful sleep you deserve. With these tips, you can say goodbye to restless nights and hello to rejuvenating, restorative sleep. Make them part of your nightly routine and enjoy the benefits of better sleep, improved mood, and increased energy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to live a healthier, more balanced life. Thanks for watching.